morning, students. Today we are going to be discussing about some problems. Discussing about some problems. So you will be learn all these concentration terms. That is weight percentage, volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, and ppm parts per million. Then another one mole fraction, molality. All these you must be by heart it and each one formula, and we are going to the that solve the some problems, and in the textbook some given example problems also is there. You must be practice there. And now in this chapter some in-text problems we'll discussing about in-text problems. So here 2.1 calculate the mass percentage of benzene C6H6 and carbon tetrachloride CCl4 if 22 grams of benzene is dissolved in 122 grams of CCl4. So mass percentage will calculate. Mass percentage will be calculated. So both are the given data is 22 grams of C6H6 and 122 grams of CCl4. So here in this first calculate the mass percentage of benzene. So you know formula that mass percentage of benzene C6H6 equal to what is the mass percentage? The mass of the benzene to total mass of the all components. So here mass of benzene C6H6 divided by total mass of the solution means here C6H6 plus CCl4 into 100. So that is here mass of C6H6 means almost there 22 grams divided by 22 plus 122 grams into 100 then 22 grams, so gram cancelled here, 22 grams, then 144 into 100, then they will calculate and you will get that is 15.278 percentage. That is the mass percentage of benzene. And same thing, and mass percentage of CCl4 mass percentage of CCl4, and you can calculate by using all these or 1 minus 15.278, that equal to 84.722. So when you will calculate by using here in place of mass of CCl4 that is 122 and total mass of this that means, so you get finally this one. So this is the calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. So formula and substitute the values, you get the answer. You will get the answer. Then another one is so another one is second problem here 2.3. Another one is 2.3. 2.3. What is the 2.3? Calculate the molarity of each following solutions. Each following solutions. A 30 grams of A 30 grams of CO NO cobalt NO3 twice 6H2O in 4.3 liters of solutions, and B is 30 ml of 0.5 m H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. So here first one is A 30 grams of CO NO3 twice into 6H2O that is in 4.3 liters So here molarity will be calculated. Molarity equal to what is the molarity? N by V in liters. Number of moles. What is number of moles of a solid divided by volume of the solution in liters. So here N equal to what here? N equal to what is N equal to? Weight by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight, that is how much given is their weight? 30 grams divided by molecular mass of this one. Cobalt 27 into 2 plus 27 into 2 plus nitrogen in 2 nitrogens. So nitrogen form mass is 14 into 2 plus oxygen 16 into 3 48 into 2. So totally what is the molecular mass of CONH3? That is given. So here 286. So 286 mass. So 30 by 286. That gives number of moles. So the number of moles is that equal to what? 105 moles. Number of moles is 105. Now here V is given. What is V here? 4.3 liters. So N means what? N means this is the formula. M equal to molarity equal to N by N means what? 0.105 divided by 4.3 liters. So what I mean is that gives 0.024 moles per liter, or 0.024 m. So this is the molarity of 30 grams of CO NO3 table price in 4.3 liters. Then another one B is, what is B? Molarity of what is B here? This is B. 30 ml of 0.m H2SO4 diluted to the 500 ml. So we have to use the dilution formula. That is dilution formula is B. What is the dilution formula? M1V1 equal to M2V2. So here M1 means what? M1 equal to what here? M1 equal to this is 0.5 m, and V1 equal to what is V1? 30 ml, and M2 don't know, calculate, and V2 500 ml. So substitute all this. Now calculate this one, M2 equal to M1 V1 by V2 equal to M1 is 0.5 into V1 is 30 divided by 500 ml, that equal to ml cancel, and we will get 0.03 m.